Welcome to Inspiring Vibes. Ever wondered how to use English in real life? Watch me go through my full day. Simple, fun, and full of English you can use every day. Let's dive in. I usually wake up early in the morning, around 6 o'clock. After getting up, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I take a shower and get dressed for work. I like to eat a light and healthy breakfast before leaving home. After breakfast, I travel to my office. At work, I start by checking my emails and planning my tasks for the day. I attend meetings and discuss projects with my team. I try to complete my important tasks in the morning. When I am fresh, around midday, I take a short lunch break and relax for a few minutes. After lunch, I continue my work and finish the remaining tasks. Sometimes, I have calls or discussions with clients in the afternoon. I make sure to complete everything on time before leaving the office. In the evening, I return home and take a little rest. I like to drink tea and relax for some time. I spend time with my family, talk with them, and help my children if needed. Sometimes, I go out for a short walk or do some light exercise. At night, I eat dinner with my family. After dinner, I watch TV, read a book, or listen to music. Finally, I prepare for the next day, go to bed, and sleep early so I can wake up fresh. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. And don't forget to subscribe for more.